Hello, church family. We just finished meeting with 3 of our districts, and I want to take a moment and give you an update on our conference restructuring process. You already know that we are making changes to some of the local church districts. Over the past several weeks, we've been meeting with district superintendents and pastors across this conference. We've been listening, sharing, and asking for input as we walk through these proposed changes together. We've now connected with almost every region of our Michigan field, with only a few meetings still ahead. These conversations have been important. We're not making decisions in isolation. We're working through this collaboratively, hearing ideas, concerns, and perspectives from those who are closest to the churches. As we move into the next phase, we'll begin talking directly with local churches where changes will take place. Some adjustments have already been implemented, but others will come as we continue this process of communication and alignment. I also want to say this clearly. We are not in a financial crisis. God has blessed this conference, and we remain financially strong. But we are taking these steps now so that we don't reach a place of crisis later. This is about wise stewardship, adjusting early so that we can stay healthy and focused on what matters most. And ultimately, this is about more than finances. Our goal is to be more effective in ministry and to grow Michigan, to equip every member for disciple making, and to strengthen our churches for the mission God has given us. And through this process, we've seen pastors and churches come together to strengthen ministry and collaboration. It's a blessing to see God moving in these wonderful ways. Thank you for your prayers. Thank you for your trust. And thank you for walking with us through this season. As we move forward, we hold on to this promise from the Lord in Proverbs 3, 5 and 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not unto your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will direct your paths. This is our confidence. This is our direction. And we will continue to keep you updated as we move forward. God bless you.